Hey everyone, it's Tracy. I am sharing my spring decor watering can with you today. The watering can and the flowers came from Michael's. I got the styrofoam from the Dollar Tree. Now, I totally fell in love with this watering can when I was shopping at Michael's, and I had to have it. This is exactly how I wanted it to look. So I'm going to be sharing how I put it all together with you. The vinyl on the watering can, I did cut that out using my Cricut Explore. So I'm going to show you here real quick how I put it on my watering can. I just cut everything out using my Cricut Explore. The Happy Spring is a free font that I found over at dafont.com called Just Be. I will have a link in the description below if you like this font. And then I just designed all of this in Cricut Design Space. The little tulip flower is also in Cricut Design Space, so I will leave all of my links to my transfer tape and vinyl in the description below. Now for my flowers, I used my steel pick machine. It is a machine that you can put a little steel pick on the bottom of your flowers that you can insert into your foam. So I really like to use this for my arrangements. It just gives an added stability. If you do not have a steel pick machine, that's not a problem. You can still put your flowers into the styrofoam. So I'm just kind of arranging them here. I have my white roses, and then I have my little daisy picks, and then I have my little tulips. So I have everything separated, and then now I'm just kind of deciding which ones I want to put where. I'm finding that the tulips are a little shorter stem. They have a little shorter stem, so I need to add some length to it. So I have these picks that I purchased from Amazon, but you can get them at the craft stores and Walmart and that kind of thing. But I'm just kind of using what I have. And so they're just floral picks, and I'm just adding them to the bottom of the tulips and then just putting some floral tape around them that, it will secure the stick to the stem of the flower. So I'm just going to add that to give it a little more height to my tulips, and then I'm going to insert those into my watering can. Okay, now I'm just going to add my little daisy flowers in there. Just so cute, and just kind of arranging them. I just look around the can and just kind of see where a hole is and just kind of fill in as I go. Okay, just making a simple little bow. I am just taking some burlap ribbon and just twisting it and making some loops. I am adding some pink burlap. This pink burlap ribbon is from the Dollar Tree, and I just really think that all of it ties in together. Okay, this project was so super fun to put together, so I appreciate you watching, and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not. I would love to have you, and thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you soon. God bless.